In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Figma to Shopify fast. 2025 guide. We'll move through 3 clear phases: installing the right Figma plugin, preparing your design so it translates cleanly to the web, and using the plugin to copy your design for Shopify. Follow along and you'll avoid the usual pitfalls that slow teams down. First, install the plugin in Figma. Open Figma, go to the community, and search for Figma to Shopify with Instant. If you prefer a similar workflow, tools like Replo also appear in community search. Open the plugins page and click install to add it to your account. After installing, the plugin becomes available from the resources menu in your files. If it doesn't show up immediately, simply reopen your file and check again. Before you proceed, skim the plugin's description so you understand any limitations and recommended setup. It'll save time later. Next, prepare your design in Figma so the plugin can convert it into clean, responsive web components. Organize your file with clearly named layers, frames, and components. Use consistent text styles and color styles so typography and colors carry over predictably. Wherever possible, rely on auto layout instead of manual positioning. Auto layout mirrors how modern layouts behave in code, so it improves responsiveness and reduces fixes later. Group content into logical sections like hero, features, or product grid because you'll typically transfer one section or frame at a time. For images, use proper fills or image components and set reasonable dimensions so exports are crisp without being excessively large. Decide which elements are static design, such as decorative backgrounds, and which should be dynamic, like product titles, prices, images, or descriptions that come from your Shopify store. Give dynamic placeholders descriptive names so it's obvious what should map to Shopify data when you're building out the page. Finally, use the plugin to copy the design. In your Figma file, open the resources panel, switch to plugins, and launch the Figma to Shopify plugin you installed. Select the exact frame or section you want to transfer. Aim for a top-level frame that contains everything for that section. Check that hidden layers you don't want included are turned off. Inside the plugin interface, click Copy Design. The plugin will translate your frame's structure, styles, and layout, especially those built with auto layout, into web-friendly components suitable for Shopify. If you're moving multiple sections, repeat this with each frame so your design stays modular and easy to manage. That's it. Install the plugin, prep your file with clean organization and auto layout, then copy the design section by section. With this workflow, your Figma to Shopify handoff becomes faster, cleaner, and far more predictable.